Hi guys, today we're going to learn on how to install Kali Linux on your Android phone. If you are a person who is interested in hacking or in Linux, now you got a new way to do this. So you don't need your computer or your laptop to start using Kali Linux. Only also on phone you can do that. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna go to Google and type in not that, we're gonna say google.com. When you're there, just type in Kali Linux. Then you scroll down here and you go, you see, click on downloads. When you're in there, just scroll down and find Kali Linux Lite. So I'm gonna install Kali Linux Lite 32-bit. So you click on this link which says HTTP. You click on that. Once you click on that, it's gonna download. So now I've downloaded this already, so I don't need to download that again. You can see that I've downloaded that. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna delete this, and just wanted to show you how to download that. After download, what you do, you go to your Play Store and look for an app called BOCHS. Click on that. You can see also I did install it already. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on that. After clicking on that app, so what you're gonna do, you tick that, you click here and choose CD-ROM. You select your ISO. This is where you downloaded your Kali Linux. Once you select that, you click here. All these settings are done already. You just click on CD-ROM, select that. Then you can go to your hardware and you can see the memory, how much memory you want to use with this Kali Linux. After that, then you just hit start. Let's see if it has. Look, yes, let's see. As you can see, now you have your Kali Linux. You can start from there and use your Kali Linux on your cell phone. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment in the comment box below. If you find like you've made some mistakes, you can correct us, but this is the way how you do what you install Kali Linux on your Android phone. Yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe on our channel, please. Yes, bye bye.